We're all looking for something more. More independence. More authority. More financial stability. More connection with our community. Regardless of who you are, owning a dustless blasting business gives you the opportunity to have more. More for the family who operates better together. More for the go-getter who takes matters into their own hands. More for the businessman who can manage a team. More for the father and son who want a new adventure. Dustless Blasting, a business opportunity that gives you more. Explore your options at dustlessblasting.com.